Hello gamers! BGMI and PUBG Update 4.2 is officially out now. Want to jump in and play but your phone just isn't performing well or lagging during intense gameplay?
I need a
Don't
weapon.
worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock 120 frames per second on your game. And here's the best part, it doesn't matter which phone you're using. This method works on all devices. As you can see right here, I've successfully unlocked 120 frames per second on my phone, and trust me, you can do this easily too by just following these simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll be able to unlock the maximum FPS on your PUBG or BGMI without any of the usual hassle. So, without wasting any time, let's dive right in and get started. But before we begin, let me quickly verify that my phone currently doesn't support 120 or even 90 frames per second natively. As you can clearly see, it only supports the extreme option, which maxes out at just 60 frames per second. Once you've confirmed the same on your device, we're ready to unlock the highest FPS available in our game. To unlock 120 FPS on your phone, the first thing you need to do is download these two essential apps, Shizuku and FPS Unlocker. Both are available on the Play Store, but I've also provided direct download links in the description below for your convenience, so go ahead and grab them. Once you've downloaded and installed both apps, open your phone settings and navigate to About Phone. Inside About Phone, look for the build number option. When you find it, tap on it 7 times consecutively. This will unlock the developer options menu on your phone. After that, head back and go to System, then locate Developer Options and open it up. Now, scroll down carefully until you see an option labeled Wireless Debugging. Tap on it to enable it. Keep in mind, you'll need to connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network first before you can activate this feature, so make sure you're connected, then enable it and grant the necessary permissions. Now, go ahead and launch the Shizuku app, then click on the pairing button. Make sure to also enable notifications for this app. Once you've done that, go back into your phone's Developer Options section. Inside Developer Options, locate Wireless Debugging once again and tap on it. Now, click on the Pair Device with Pairing Code button. You'll see a code generated on your screen. Type this exact code into the Shizuku pop-up notification that appears, then save it. You should see a message confirming that pairing was successful. Head back to the Shizuku app and click on the Start button. It takes roughly 3 seconds for the service to initialize and start running. After the service has successfully started, click on the Authorize Apps section and make sure to authorize the FPS Unlocker app. Once that authorization is complete, launch the FPS Unlocker app. You can skip through the tutorial if it pops up. Now, from the options available, select the Indian version of the game. Then, select the With Shizuku option from the menu. And finally, click on the Unlock 120 FPS button. The app will prompt you to watch a quick ad. This is completely normal and part of the process, so just go ahead with it. Once you do, the unlocking process will begin automatically. After the ad finishes playing, your 120 frames per second will be successfully unlocked and ready to use. Now go ahead and launch your game. Once the game has fully loaded, open up your settings menu and you'll see that your 120 frames per second option is now unlocked. As you can see right here, mine is perfectly unlocked and available. Now, sometimes the 120 frames per second option might not visually appear in the settings menu, but don't worry, it's still actively working in the background. So go ahead and enjoy your smooth, high-performance 120 frames per second gaming experience. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content just like this.